Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the world of salt. That's right, the oh-so-controversial seasoning that we find in our kitchens. So let's uncover the health benefits and drawbacks of salt. First, let's talk about the pros. Salt is essential for our bodies to function properly. It helps to regulate fluid balance, nerve transmission, and muscle function. It also aids in the absorption of key nutrients, such as potassium and calcium. Additionally, salt can enhance the flavor of our meals, making them more enjoyable to eat. However, there are cons to consider as well. Too much salt can lead to high blood pressure, which increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. It can also contribute to kidney problems and water retention. Excessive salt intake may also affect bone health and contribute to the development of osteoporosis. To strike a balance, it's important to moderate our salt consumption. The recommended daily intake for adults is about a teaspoon. Be mindful of processed foods, as they often contain hidden amounts of salt. Opt for fresh and whole foods whenever possible, as they are naturally low in sodium. Remember, it's all about balance. With the right amount, salt can add flavor and important minerals to our diet. Just be cautious not to overdo it. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Stay healthy and see you next time.